business. No stress. When it comes to cattle handling, ranchers trust Arrowquip to get the job done safely and reliably, time after time. And loading cattle onto a truck or trailer has never been easier than with Arrowquip loading chutes. The 12-foot loading chute connects seamlessly to semi-trucks and trailers of any height, thanks to an adjustable height of 12 to 51 inches. Designed to reduce stress and the likelihood of livestock injury, Arrowquip loading chutes feature fully sheeted sides, designed with a 6-inch vision slot so handlers can assist in the loading process. With 4 models to choose from, Arrowquip has loading chute options to fit any ranch. Take advantage of the portable option, which comes with a removable front hitch and auto-braking winch, allowing you to move the loading chute quickly and easily. And for even greater control and accessibility, the vet cage option allows you to stop the flow of cattle, access the back of your trailer, or pass through to the other side. Every Arrowquip loading chute is constructed with high-quality American steel, primed and powder-coated for reliable performance year after year. So no matter where you're going, move with confidence and get the job done with Arrowquip loading chutes. This is limitless cattle handling. Visit arrowquip.com to learn more.